Did you see the Costas post-match interview saying when the team goes away, ngithola Mbombela, Debe, ngithola
Sure.
they getting love, ngithola,
Yeah.
but he didn't mention ukuthi, but you could see if you read between the lines
Yeah.
ukuthi what he's trying to
It's
say is
home.
that esikotini ngithola sometimes nokuba impatient namachance ngithola into enjani.
I think uPutjaba washo lento le. The position which Orlando Pirates, it's been long since sikhona because Sundowns has been dominant njengoba usho. Now
Yeah.
it's April, May, but we're still talking about the league race. So number one is Sundowns is in a game in hand.
Yeah.
So that's why ngisho ukuthi ngibheka on both sides.
Yeah.
Even fans are frustrated now because they want to win this thing. It's been long overdue, and this is our year. You understand, for us to win it. So sometimes yabona kube mekasesigodini. I don't want to lie to you. Ngale first 11 kube kunjani? Kube squatile. Uyacaba esigodini, you understand?
Yeah.
Not because we don't love the team, we don't support him,
Yeah.
but players like are curious. They want to win, supporters, I mean to say, they want to win this thing. You understand?
Yeah.
It's not like there is no love or what. And you must understand, abantu basesigodini,
Yeah.
they go more to the stadium than compared to other provinces.
Yeah, sure,
Because
sure,
Sekhaya,
busy,
you understand?
sure.
So there is home. You understand? Ukuthi the team can give us more. So it's not like there is no love. There's just that thing ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuthi team win.
Sure.
And to the coach to do isn't as simple. That's my perspective on this one.
Yeah, Ghost.
Yeah, I think it's one of those unnecessary things from the coach.
Nation fan.
Yeah, I think it was really unnecessary. In fact, we just won 6-0.
6
Take your flowers and keep it moving. In fact,
Yeah.
One's on.
In the league.
yeah, because you are peddling on that thing that has been happening, and we thought we are over it, and then now you are rubbing salt again on the wound.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think unfortunate from the coach.
It's unfortunate, Ghost. In fact, I don't think they didn't even ask him that question.
Yes.
So they said, "Coach, thoughts on the game."
Yeah.
He went on a rant, and then he ended up saying things that he's not supposed to. Let's be honest.
I wanted to say that.